What is up, friend? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Suli. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Well, I just finished coming back from the gym and I got something to eat because I just want to get into the habit of eating more so that I can actually see the gains that I'm working towards, as opposed to working out and just not eating, and so not seeing the muscle mass that I want to see. I came across this YouTube video yesterday. I was up to like, I want to say 1 o'clock in the morning, and this food vlog channel, whatever you want to call it, came on, and I was like, this looks really good. It's called Balance Bowls. It's literally playing right behind me, look. And the bowls look so good. Like, when I tell you they look so good, let me see if I can focus. It's not gonna be, all right, well, you can't see it right now, but the first bowl, I was like, oh my God. And I don't know, I think I mentioned it here. I want to start cooking again. I've just been like very MIA when it comes to cooking for whatever reason. And I think it's because I'm just tired of eating the same things and cooking the same things and not trying to cook new dishes. So let me show you what I saw. And I was like, ooh, I literally bought the bowls today after the gym. I went to the store and I was like, I'm gonna buy these bowls that I can put in the oven and I'm gonna make this meal. You know, the problem is when you live in New York, food is so accessible that sometimes you get really lazy about cooking. I don't wanna be lazy about cooking, right? I wanna make sure that I'm like making good dishes and challenging myself and whatever. So this is jerk and honey salmon with, I don't know how to pronounce that, black rice, mango, and avocado salsa bowl, right? But look how it looks. Hold on. Watch this video and then you are full of creative. Look how oh my God. First of all, it looks so savory and colorful. The only thing is I've been trying to find jerk seasoning, and in this area, there's just no jerk seasoning. Look, look, look. Oh my gosh. Look how delicious this looks. I'm gonna make the bowl. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna buy the salmon. I have to figure out where I'm gonna get the jerk seasoning and the Scotch bonnet because, well, I might be able to get the Scotch bonnet, but the jerk seasoning, I might have to order that like tonight. I'm gonna make it tomorrow because it's already 6:14. The sun be out like late now, so it's hard to tell what time it is. But yeah, I'm gonna make this tomorrow, and I pray it looks so freaking good. So I'm just praying it's gonna, you know, it'll get me back into my cooking because I don't know what's good with me. I haven't been wanting to cook, and I don't like that for me. Like, I want to be someone who cooks often.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap.
It's not dramatic. Pastel post-it notes. So I just got back from Trader Joe's, and typically I bring my camera, and when I'm vlogging or recording, I'll just put it in the little cart that they have. But because I brought my own cart so that I could carry my waters and all my groceries, I didn't have like the height to place my camera, so I didn't get to bring my camera into Trader Joe's. And then I bumped into my friend at Trader Joe's, so I was there for like way longer than I anticipated, but it was great because he ended up taking me home and we caught up, so that was cool. So I'm about to get started. They had like, well, one, I'm replacing black rice for jasmine or basmati rice. I have to see which one I want to use. And then also I couldn't find any Scotch bonnet or habanero peppers, which really sucks because I'm telling you, all like the Caribbean spices or Caribbean things that I want to find in my area, I can never find it. So I have to like go out of my way to find it. And even when I go out of my way, it's just like not in this area at all. I purchased a jalapeno pepper, which is not going to be as hot, but that's also okay because I'm not like a spicy lover type thing. Like, I like spicy food, but I don't need it to be the spiciest food. I'm just gonna use the jalapeno. I don't know if that's gonna alter the taste, but whatever. I'm excited. Let me go unpack my groceries and then we're gonna get started because what time is it? Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 5:53 p.m.
Yeah, it's 5:53, which means the food's probably not gonna be done till like 7:15 by the time I like prep and stuff. So at 7:30-ish, at 7:30-ish, my food should be done. And I'll show you guys like along the way the different ingredients and stuff I'm using. I'm so excited.
And so he He gonna fight for you in that way, right? And so I sat with God. I said, okay, God.
But you may not look directly in my face on this rock. Look like your business, God.
Colours and all of the flavours that I'm about to share with you. Very curious, it has like a deep nutty taste.
All right, y'all, so here is my seasoned salmon. I didn't take out the bottom of the salmon, which is why it has like that white coating on it, but that's fine. That's not a problem for me. And then here we have my basmati rice, which is really, really good. It's already been ready. My favorite part, look how delicious. I mean, this video is not doing it any justice, but look how delicious this salad, this mango avocado salad looks. It's so freaking good. I'm so excited to plate it. Thank you, Jesus, for this meal. I pray that it is delicious as it was made with love. Amen. It is Saturday. It is Saturday afternoon and I just went through wash day and I'm really excited because my hair looks so beautiful because I cut it when I had it straight. It's 70 degrees outside. I forgot that this is liquid. Dang, I don't want to mess up my shirt. I am about to go to the food festival that they opened up by my house. Hold on. And just hang out for a little bit, enjoy some sun, eat something really good. And oh, that reminds me, I need to connect my Apple Pay. Can we talk about how beautiful my hair came out? Can we talk about it? Because it is just so pretty. Ooh, wrong side. My bad, girl, wrong side. All right, no makeup on because I don't feel like it today. I don't feel like it right now. I just don't feel like it. The only thing is this top rises. I got this set from Reformation, which is a brand that Garnier actually gave me a gift card to. So let me show you. This is what this set looks like, which I think is really cute. The only thing is this top rises, so I have to be very careful with my boobies. But you guys know how I feel about this color. Obviously, look at my bed. Ooh. So yeah, I'm about to go outside. I'm gonna put some shades on too. What is up, y'all? It is Sunday. I am outside right now. We just finished church, which was really, really good. It's like a well-needed word, so that was good. I don't know if you can hear me well. Hopefully you can hear me. But now I'm just waiting for my friend Timmy because he's been talking about this alkaline vegan spot for a minute that he goes to often. And so he said he was going to meet me here so that we can get something to eat together. I've never been here before, but he eats here often and he really likes it. And he's on this vegan vibe, which in a perfect world, I would love to be vegan. I always say, like, if I have a lot of money and I can hire a chef, it'll be like a plant-based Caribbean chef. So I'm just trying out their food and seeing if it's any good or not. But it's so beautiful out. It's like 75 degrees, which is why I just have this bodysuit on. So I'm just sitting on a stoop like a native Brooklyn girl and just waiting here till he comes. Don't wait for me. I'm nervous.
I want to see what yours look like.
I look good.
Like the presentation is
I honestly was getting something else and then I saw this man get his stew and I was like, oh, I want that.
What it tastes like? I wonder
It tastes like mac and cheese.
So I'm guessing the meat that they gave you was mushrooms. Like,
wanna try it?
Yeah, let me.
It's just like pungent flavors, but it's good. What is up, friend? Happy Monday. It is officially Monday. I am just waking up from a nap. I didn't anticipate to fall asleep the way I did, but here we are. And so now I'm about to go to get something to eat real quick and then to go to the cafe to get work done. I was gonna stay home and just edit out this vlog, but it is 76 degrees outside and it is so beautiful. So I was like, you know what? Let me start the week off editing outside, you know, being in a good vibe and enjoying the weather. So I'm gonna grab something to eat real quick and then I'm gonna go to the cafe and hopefully finish up here. Yesterday was my little cousin's first birthday and it was so nice. I got there late because of the bike marathon traffic, but it was so nice. He's getting so big so fast, and so we really had a good time. And so this weekend in general was just like really jam-packed as far as spending time with loved ones and stuff. So this vlog might be a little short when it comes to how dense my vlogs usually are. We'll be picking back up this week, it's fine. I just wanted to make sure I got this vlog out because I didn't get to do a midweek vlog and it's Monday. I was supposed to have a vlog out on Sunday. So I'm here, I'm committed to show up and, you know, say hey to you and connect with you. So let me head out, find out where I'm gonna plant myself and begin editing so we can get this on and out.